In a day, $50. Earn. You can craft and sell custom products. 100% free to use 1,000 more products, global delivery. And no credit card required. T-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, hoodie and more. You can calculate your average monthly income. And it's 100% free. Sign up with your email and password. And in the main menu, you will see hundreds of options. There are products of every kind. You can even design a mousepad. Go to the Canva website and search for t-shirt designs. There are many designs here that you can use for free. Choose one and start editing. And upload your design. Adjust your design according to the frame.